Learning is an active process. You learn more when you force yourself to struggle with concepts and put them in your own words. But it's not enough to just write out your note cards and hope for the best. You actually have to study them. But let's face it can be a pain to walk over to your stack of note cards, pick them up, and then make yourself go through them one by one, and also set aside time to do it. A better way is to make your notes visible and accessible. This is why we created the ProSimpli 3x5-inch index card holder. The idea is simple. Step 1, write out your notes in your own words. Step 2, make those notes visible. Put in an area where you spend time in. The more you see them, the more chances you're giving yourself to learn the material. If you're interested in learning fast, check out our product, ProSimpli.com. We are sold through Amazon, so if you want, go to Amazon, search for ProSimpli, and find our listing.